In a small house in sunny South Florida lived the Spencer family. Mom, Dad, Robert, and Tommy were all fun-loving and faithful members of the Church of Jesus Christ of Latter-day Saints. One day, they got a life-changing letter. On November 21st, 2014, Dear Elder Spencer, you are hereby called to serve as a missionary of the Church of Jesus Christ of Latter-day Saints. You have been assigned to labor in the Germany mission. It is anticipated that you will serve for a period of 24 months. You are prepared to preach the gospel in the German language. For Tommy, the call for his older brother, Robert, to leave for his mission was a sad and happy moment. Tommy admires his brother and wants to be a missionary just like him. Today, November 21st, 2015, Tommy is trying to be an everyday missionary.
Well, Mom, I tried to share the gospel at school today, and it didn't really go as planned. You know, Mom, you're right. There probably is a letter in the mail from my brother, Elder Spencer, in Germany. Let's go check. Right, Mom, there was a letter in the mail from my brother, Elder Spencer, in Germany. So wise.
Dear little brother Tommy, I'm having so much fun on my mission in Germany. I just miss you so much. I decided to write a letter telling you a few of my favorite things.
Sharing the gospel and serving the Lord, blessing the families in every ward. Brown paper packages tied up with strings, these are a few of my favorite things. Feather scriptures and crisp apple strudels, hanging the doorbell and schnitzel and noodles. Lessons we teach and that we sing, these are a few of my favorite things. Baptizing people that have found the gospel, sitting in conference and singing apostles, waiting for PA to do my healing, these are a few of my favorite things. When the dog barks and the bees sing, and I'm feeling sad, I simply remember my favorite things, and then I don't feel so bad.
Just remember that book that we read together as a family, Power of Everyday Missionaries? Just remember that people want to talk about the gospel. They want to hear the truth and feel the spirit. So just overall, brother, just have confidence. P.S. Don't forget the secret handshake.
Not back there.
You know what? My brother's right. I shouldn't be scared of anything. I don't know why I was scared in the first place.
This day I wonder, what will my future be? I wonder, it could be so exciting to be out in the world, to be free. My heart should be wildly rejoicing. Oh, what's the matter with me? I always long for adventure, to do the things I've never did. Now here I'm facing adventure, then why am I so scared? Captain with 7 children. What's so fearsome about that? Oh, I must stop these doubts, all these worries. If I don't, I just know I'll turn back. I must dream of the things I am seeking.
I am seeking the courage I lack, the courage to serve them with reliance, face my mistakes without defiance, show them I'm worthy, and while I show them, I will show me. So let them bring all their problems. I'll do better. I'll make them see confidence in me. Somehow I will impress them. I will be firm but kind. And all those children, heaven bless them, they will look up to me and mind me with each step I am more certain. Everything will turn out fine. I have confidence the world can all be mine. They have to agree I have confidence in me. You see, I have confidence in me.
Did anyone even hear what she said?
Nah.
Who cares anyway?
Oh man, I'm so exhausted. I have to come to school at 7 o'clock in the morning. Like,
Man, I took a 5 o'clock in the morning into seminary. That's easy.
why?
Still running? Tommy, can you hear me? I got a message I was supposed to get to you. This is your conscience. Yeah, the song you heard earlier was from the ladies.
I'm Christian.
Whoa. Wow. You said what?
I said I'm Christian.
You know you're more than this,
I
man.
know, sorry.
You're part of the true church in that days. Remember, people do want to know about God. Just gotta tell them the truth. Courage, confidence. Okay.
So actually, I'm from a church called the Latter-day Saints, and our church basically comes from people called the Mormons.
What's that big white castle that you go to or something?
Well, we don't go to the temple. We actually go into our meeting houses to worship. The temple is where we do our own work. You guys got that?
Yeah.
That's how you do it. You don't need no more. Bye.
Yeah, man, sure. Anytime. Hit me up. Send my number. Let him know.
In a small house in sunny South Florida lived the Spencer family. Mom, Dad, Robert, and Tommy were all fun-loving and faithful members of the Church of Jesus Christ of Latter-day Saints. One day, they got a life-changing letter. On November 21st, 2016, Dear Elder Spencer, you are hereby called to serve as a missionary of the Church of Jesus Christ of Latter-day Saints. You have been assigned to labor in the Germany mission. It is anticipated that you will serve for a period of 24 months. You are prepared to preach the gospel in the German language. Robert was proud of his younger brother for preparing so well for his mission. Today, Robert says goodbye to his brother as he sets out to be a missionary. Robert is sad for him to leave, but he knows that all the work that he's done has prepared him for the next 2 years.
We totaled up our points and we were, 3 points away? I think there was like 3 points difference between the final two. So we struggled with this one and it was a 2-1 vote. Are you ready? So the prize, grand prize for the overall best play today goes to... Did I ever show you guys my Elvis